Thank you, sir. Let me share my video. I hope you all can hear me.
Yes, we can hear and see you. You go ahead. Yes.
Okay. Welcome you all to the introductory session, EEI3467, Software Engineering Concepts and Programming. I am Dinusha Tilakaratna, Academic Coordinator for the course EEI3467, and under the guidance and assistance of Professor Udita Ratnayaka, I am coordinating this course. So I would like to mention that she is also here. Right. Okay. When we discuss the general course information, this course is offered in semester 1 and it is a level 3 course. It carries 4 credits, right? So, and it is a core course. In other words, it's a compulsory course, and at least we have to have 200 hours of study time, and we don't hope any prerequisites from you. So if you want to have prior knowledge before this course, I recommend you you can watch the Scratch introduction videos uploaded on LMS and follow the EDX Scratch course, right? So the course aim is to impart knowledge on how to apply fundamental concepts of programming to develop a software application to solve a problem as one of the main activities in software development life cycle. So we aim to give you the knowledge on how to apply fundamental concepts of programming in order to develop a software which solve a problem in day-to-day life, right? So this is the syllabus outline. So it contains 3 units, and this is how the sessions are distributed. When we go deeper into the course overview, Unit 1 is based on structured programming and requirement engineering. So here you will learn what are the software, you will learn how to classify software and the evaluation of programming, and later you will learn before building a software, it is important to gather requirements, right? So there are functional requirements and non-functional requirements. So before building a software, you need to have these requirements. You can gather them through interviews, observation, or prototyping. So you will learn them in this course, and later you will learn data flow diagrams and use case diagrams in order to show how different users interact with the system. And also the unit covers structured programming, which contains sequence, selection, iteration. Don't worry if you can't understand these things. I'm just explaining for your knowledge, but later you will learn them gradually, right? So you will learn these things in Unit 1. And in Unit 2 is here we introduce what is programming. So basically it is we are doing C programming language here. So you will learn algorithms, C language basics, variables and operators, control structures, functions, organizing data, dynamic structures, and etc. So in the third unit, you will learn software engineering concepts and software development life cycle. So here you will learn how to compare different ways to manage projects by using waterfall model, V model, spiral model, likewise. So you will learn to compare them, and you will learn object-oriented principles like encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, and software testing, deployment and maintenance, security, later project management, right? So these are the course learning outcomes. So at the completion of this course, you will be able to demonstrate the ability to gather requirements to develop a software solution and describe algorithmic solution to a problem using pseudocode or flowcharts. And you will learn to design a solution to a problem using structured design principles. As well, you will learn how to apply fundamental concepts of programming to write, test, debug, and deploy computer programs. I think I'm not too fast. Then you will learn to select appropriate software development model for the, because I have mentioned earlier, that is why I'm just reading these things, right? You will learn to describe how basic concepts in project management apply to a software project. Right. When we discuss the course delivery, first and second day schools of this course will be done in the first week of the academic year on site. So why we do this? Because there we discuss algorithms, fundamentals of programming. So it is very important for your future, your later learnings like Java and Python. So we have to do this as soon as possible. So that is why we conduct these sessions early as possible, right? So this is the tentative academic activity schedule. This may be changed, or we will inform you the activity schedule through the LMS. But for now, this is the activity schedule. So as I mentioned you before, day school 1, day school 2 will be conducted on the same day on site, and later practical session and a lab. So here it is also conducting on site, and later day school 3, and later practical session and a lab test, later practical session and a lab test, and later a continuous assessment test, which is a written paper. So up to CAT, here I have mentioned the activity schedule, but after the CAT examination, the rest is not scheduled yet, right? That is why I have mentioned here only up to CAT. So when we discuss the assessment criteria, there are 4 assessment components you have to face: mini project, continuous assessment test, which is called as CAT, and online quiz and lab evaluation. So as I mentioned before, lab evaluation is done, 2 lab evaluations will be done on site, and 1 will be done online. And when I talk about mini project, you should submit your mini project. Then your mini project will be evaluated through Viva, and there will be a CAT and online quiz, right? So the OCAM is, as Mr. Lahiru mentioned you before, or this X will be calculated by using this formula. So you can see that CAT, we consider 30% from CAT and 10% from OQ mark, online quiz, and 30% from mini project, and 30% from lab evaluation. So you can see you have to do all these things, right? So then this I want you to mention here that if you score more than 40, then this OCAM will be considered. Otherwise, you are not eligible for the final exam, right? You have to keep in mind this thing. If you are not score more than 40, then you are not eligible for your final exam. And if you score more than 40, then the OCAM will be considered and calculated. And then if it is also greater than 40, then you will be able to write your final examination. You will be eligible, right? So after your final examination, overall marks will be calculated like this: half of your marks from your this criteria and half of your marks from your final examination, right? So the most important thing here is the critical component is critical assessment component is mini project. When we look back the students' performance of EEX3467 in 2024, actually in that year, this course was conducted by Dr. H.M.M. Caldera, and you can see that number of students who took the assessment, 467. So eligible percentage is 62 out of 467. Eligible percentage is 62 percentage. So and those who eligible passed only 93 percentage, right? So this is how your seniors performed. So you have to perform well, I think. So I want to say you that please refer the followings which are available in the LMS. I'm not going to show you how to go to the LMS because now many lecturers show you how to do that. So please refer the course synopsis, course materials published in this course, and announcements. Frequently, please check your announcements, right? Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you all.
Thank you, Dinusha. Actually, those the course synopses and